Hi everyone, and another release of the Unpacked Extravaganza is related to Galaxy Watch series. Today, Samsung released the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Well, two devices, two different designs, two different user experience. Let's talk about it on this hands-on. Both models are available in two sizes. The Watch 6 in 40 and 44 millimeters, the Classic in 43 and 47 millimeters, and with a 20% larger display in each case, which is really noticeable, trust me. The small Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic now have a display of 1.31 inches instead of previous 1.19 inches, while the two large models have an impressive 1.5 inches. Samsung has shrunk the bezel by 15% so that the already bulky Classic models do not get knocked. As far as the technology is concerned, all the Watch 6 watches are the same. The Exynos W930 replaces the W920 as the processor, and there is 2 GB of RAM instead of 1.5 GB and 16 GB of storage everywhere. The batteries have also grown a bit compared to the old models, namely to 300 mAh for the small and 425 mAh for the large model. The watch runs Google Wear OS 4.0, which offers an incredible number of apps. Besides the hardware, Samsung focuses on wellness. Both models offer improved sleep tracking and even more detailed statistics. In addition to the familiar functions for ECG and body composition measurements, the Watch 6 models also get a detection for cardiac arrhythmias. However, the feature could not be available in some regions at launch. Finally, the Watch 6 once again features a sensor for skin temperature and the associated cycle tracking and cycle prediction. Yes, that was our quick view on the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about the two devices. And please, if you like this video, remember to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Okay? Stay hydrated. Bye-bye.